Here's how you can do Moxa on yourself when you don't have someone available to help you out. What I've done is I've taken some tin foil and I've rolled it in sort of like a log and I flattened it so it's something like, it looks sort of like a chopstick holder or chopstick rest. So this will be my Moxa rest. And so you'll see with this one, I've lit the Moxa, and of course I've covered my surface with tin foil. And I've lit the Moxa, and you see it's glowing there with the ash, and it's on the rest. And so all I have to do now is put my foot right very close to that glowing end, so I feel it's hot, quite hot. And that's how you do it. And then you can just relax. The ash will fall onto the foil, protecting your surface below. And that's it. You do that for 20 minutes, both sides at the same time, and up to 10 days or until your baby has turned head down.